What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So Jackie came from Fresno, and we're gonna be giving Mireya a ride along. Hopefully she likes it, and I'll probably start doing these ride alongs before I put any more upgrades in the truck. So stay tuned, guys. Also subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram. I'm gonna put it right here. It's Low94. I really appreciate that. I just made it, so help me get to like at least 200-300, and probably later on do some giveaways. So let's get it, guys. Also, I did put the slicks back on. We're gonna be going to Mayhem this Thursday, so you guys can see how they look. So yeah, guys.
No, but I want you to come on too. I don't want to be the only us two.
Appreciate you, man. 6.0.
What was the Wrigley in there?
V6. The big tank, huh? You gotta re-record it though. You gotta record me there.
Stop, not this. Record yourself. Like you have to warn us. Yes. Record yourself. Go already run.
Recording?
Yes, look.
Did you record the other part?
What part?
The beginning when I stepped on
No. That shit fucking hurts. Stop putting it all on me.
your face.
What am I supposed to do? Okay, look, let's just.
Is that far right there?
You get copyrighted? Oh! That he won you. He won you. Oh. No? Right now you go on that side and I'll record you guys racing. That's fine. When you guys go that way.
I'm spinning though, they're spinning.
What's ay.
You guys wanna get off? You guys wanna get off?
Yeah, look at my hair. No,
This is too loud. I'll park on that side.
Yes.
You're not recording.
Bro, it's in 2 minutes.
It's barely 2 minutes, bro. It's not even recording.
Can you warn me? Warn me that you're gonna do that. Okay, let's do this. That shit's whack. Rubber. You need a tripod. What? At least it's in the front? Not even me. Melly. Stop!
Damn, man, you are getting a filter.
Shut up. No, Mireya, you do. What the f- right there. You're gonna get copyrighted if I put it up?
Yeah.
Really? You get copyrighted?
Yeah.
You look so dead. Wait, Robert, wait. Make sure you hold the coffee. Robert! No. Oh my god. Record outside, record outside. Ay. Can I press it? Can I step on it? Can I step on it? Can I step on it?
So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. If you guys could please comment, share, subscribe, I really appreciate that. Also, that's David's Alpha Romeo, whatever fucking however you say it. Later on, we could probably do a riding along in that one. It's pretty fast too. Probably do some runs on that one. But for now, that's the end for this video. Still gotta go wash it. It's all dirty. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Really appreciate that. Like I said, follow my Instagram and stay tuned for the next video, guys.